Nina. We have another episode of Nina's Kitchen. My sister, she's going to help me make Lay's chips. Okay, so now we just washed our potatoes and we're going to peel the peel. Now we have peeled our potatoes and I actually got a big bowl and I'm gonna put water in it and some salt. All right, I've got the water and now I'm going to add salt. I'm just going to put a teaspoon of salt.
She's really salty.
Okay, now that the salt is mixed into the water, once we slice them into really, really thin slices, we're just gonna put it into the water.
So we're gonna take our potato peelers. Can I use yours?
Nope.
This one's mine.
Oh, mine's not working. I'm going to let it soak up all the salt water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I think the oil is hot enough, so I'm gonna put one in. I got one right here, so let's see how it goes. Oh, snap. So I think this chip is ready. I'm gonna take it out. Look at it.
I'm gonna touch it.
What?
I'm gonna touch it.
Are you gonna crack it?
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh my god.
Ow!
Look what you did! Oh my gosh! What? Dude! Soiled it.
Soiled it.
Soiled it.
Soiled it.
Soiled it.
Soiled it. I'm gonna try it.
Wait! Wait! Okay, apparently she's gonna try it. Wait! I need to try it at the same time.
It tastes like a chip.
Oh my god, it tastes like a potato chip. That is good. Honestly, I don't think I could tell the difference between this and a Lay's chip.
I can. Your oil's burning.
Yeah, let's make the rest. I'm gonna take a bunch of these, slide them in there. Slide it in, slide it in. Yeet, 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 yeet. They're like almost done. Yeet. I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt, not too much, just like really lightly for some flavor. Okay, so obviously we were eating while making it, but I still wanted to film us enjoying our chips. These taste just like Lay's chips. I'm not kidding you. Like,
even better.
My uncle texted me, he's like, better than Lay's, because I sent him some too.
It's just so good.
I'm gonna dip it into salsa. It was my sister's idea. And eat it. What? Thank you so much for watching my video, and I really enjoyed sharing this recipe with you, which was actually inspired by Julien. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and also don't forget to click that bell icon down below so that you can get a notification every time we upload new videos.
And don't forget to like this video.
Thanks, bye!